How to create a TikTok Lite account. To create a TikTok Lite account, launch open the TikTok Lite app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now search for TikTok Lite and tap on the install option. Once you open the application, it will prompt you to sign up for TikTok. If it doesn't, you can also tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you will have the sign up for TikTok option. Here, you can sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or use phone or email in this way. If you want to use your email to create an account, go ahead and enter your email address in this way. Once you do that, tap on the next option. Now you will have to create a password for your TikTok account. After that, tap on the login option. And once you do that, as you can see, your account has been created. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.